Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope that you're all doing well and having a great day. To start things off, the prices in the market are slowly moving back up. Not all coins are moving back up, but Bitcoin is still not above 7,000, which seems to be the number that everyone is focusing on. Everybody wants Bitcoin to go back above 7,000 and or 7,500. This is a number you will constantly find online. They say Bitcoin needs to go above 7,500 in order to break this current trend. What's interesting is that a lot of other coins have stopped waiting for Bitcoin. EOS is currently up by 11%. This seems to be because of the Dawn 3.0 release, which a lot of people were waiting for, which means that the next step is the mainnet release. A lot of other coins are also up by 16%. Ontology up by 16%. Icon is up by 13%. Even I believe Dogecoin is also up by 13% as well. So we've gotten to a point in the market where I think that everyone has become so restless with what has been going on with Bitcoin. There's a lot of articles floating around on the internet about the price of EOS because everyone's been waiting for the launch. I think we have about 7 weeks left before it officially launches. And even soon, sometime this week, it possibly passing by Litecoin to be in the number 5 spot, which I definitely think is going to happen as Litecoin isn't really posting any gains at this moment. But there's also a lot of talk about Bitcoin stagnation. I know a lot of people out there love Bitcoin. It's great. It's number one. But everyone thought that Lightning would do something to the price of Bitcoin that it has not done. And this is causing a lot of other projects to slowly get tired. Normally before, like I was saying, if Bitcoin posted a 2 or 3% gain, other coins maybe had 0.5% of a gain. And I think that time is possibly over because as we get closer to the summer, a lot of these coins and projects are going to start officially launching. Even EOS has, I think, 1,000 apps that are going to be built on top of it once it launches. So this is going to be very significant moving forward. If we can realistically, if this triples in price because of hype, it'll be next to Ripple and Ethereum. And at that point, it's up to Ethereum to start launching Plasma or Casper because things are getting serious and everyone is tired of not making money, if I can say it that way. So to continue things, European Commission Vice President Andrus Ansip has recently called on Europe to become a world leader in digital innovation by embracing blockchain technology along with artificial intelligence. In a speech at EC's Digital Day 2018 in Brussels on Tuesday, April the 10th, I believe that was yesterday. Quoting a British international technology investment, I'm used to saying British intelligence, I don't know why, I think it's too many movies, technology investment firm from Atomico, Ansip argued that Europe is home to the world's leading AI research community, while according to the European technology sector, Europe is best positioned to play a leading role in blockchain as well. Pointing out the necessity of taking the world's leadership in digital technology, Ansip urged the EC to support the European tech sector both politically and financially. The EC vice president stressed that EU governments should contribute to the fast-growing blockchain technology sector that is already moving out of the lab and growing mainstream, adding that the region clearly has competition. Yes, they do. AI and blockchain are as the areas where Europe is best positioned to play a leading role. However, it is no secret that we have to invest both politically and financially. There is quite some ground to catch up. Other countries are moving ahead quickly. I'm glad that this happened. This might actually be the reason for a little bit of the pump in the market. Whenever we get any type of good news from countries and or a cluster of countries, this usually spells out good news for the crypto market. So let's move ahead with the next thing. Timothy Enneking, who is the managing director of Crypto Asset Management LP, said Monday that the winter in cryptocurrency markets is largely over. Crypto Asset Management, which was founded last year and has roughly 20 million in assets under management, saw its CAM Crypto 30 cryptocurrency index fund fall by 69% since its high in January. Enneking sees 4 reasons for the collapse. He says it's asset consolidation, regulatory concerns, massive liquidation by the Mt. Gox trustee and startups, selling crypto assets to pay salaries and expenses are all factors in the market's overall decline. He wrote consolidation after the amazing 2017 increase, which a lot of people don't realize just how much we rose over the course of 7 months, drew back some of the funds invested in cryptocurrencies. Investors are also likely wary due to recent regulatory actions. While it did not cite any specific events, the report comes just weeks after the US SEC subpoenaed startups with ICOs. It remains unclear what exactly the SEC is looking for, though an official confirmed dozens of investigations are underway. So a lot of this is very true. We've spoken about a lot of this before. I think a lot of it comes down to regulations and the entire Mt. Gox thing. When you sell off $100 million worth of any cryptocurrency or anything in the world, the price will go down, and people concerned about regulations. This is why I think every single time we get an inkling of some type of good news from some country, even if they're slightly insignificant, not Europe, I won't name any other countries, the price tends to boost up a tiny bit. But I think Europe and America and Asia are the hot spots when it comes to people waiting to see exactly what the regulations will be on the market. Some more good news. On April 10th, 22 countries in the European Union signed a declaration of the establishment of a European blockchain partnership aimed at cementing Europe as a world leader in the development and launch of blockchain technologies. The international partnership claims to be a vehicle for cooperation amongst member states to exchange experience and expertise in technical and regulatory fields and prepare for the launch of EU-wide blockchain applications across the digital single market for the benefit of public and private sectors. Maria Gabriel, who is the Commissioner for Digital Economy and Society, not only welcomed the partnership signing, but also made some seriously bullish statements. In the future, all public services will use blockchain technology. Blockchain is a great opportunity for Europe and member states to rethink their information systems, to promote user trust and the protection of personal data, to help create new business opportunities, and to establish new areas of leadership benefiting citizens, public services, and companies. The partnership launched today enables member states to work together with the European Commission to turn the enormous potential of blockchain technology into better services for citizens. So as of now, it seems that we will have officially what is happening with cryptocurrencies by June of this year within Europe. And I think also June and December for America. I think something important is happening in December, but usually what we hear or have heard everywhere is that the end of May is the significant time for everything kind of coming together. So I think this is a perfect storm, me personally, for prices to shoot back up, because we have not had any negative news, and I still think that any pushing down of prices is some sort of manipulation when it comes to the number one coin being pushed down, because there's no reason that any of the prices should be down at this point, especially when it's largely clear that we are going to have, fingers crossed, good news sometime around June once we get all the regulation stuff out of the way. All right, everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are, wherever you might be, whatever you might be doing. Thank you once again for watching, and I will talk to you all soon. See you.